In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete app project in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to locate the right project, and how to remove it safely. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting an app project is typically permanent and may affect any connected workflows or teammates. Make sure you're working in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage apps. If something looks different on your screen, your organization's admin settings or UI updates may slightly change labels or layout, but the process remains the same. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base4 web app. Sign in with your usual credentials and give the dashboard a moment to load. Using a modern, up-to-date browser helps the interface respond quickly, which is handy when you're navigating lists of projects. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click on Apps. This takes you to the central place where your app projects live. Think of this as your library of projects. Each entry represents an app you or your team has created or has access to. If you have a long list, use the search bar to zero in on the exact project you want to remove. Type the project name or a unique keyword. Results usually narrow as you type, so even partial names can help surface the right item. Double check that you're in the correct workspace to avoid confusion with similarly named projects elsewhere. You can also refine the view using filters. Adjust filters for things like your own apps or different app types to shorten the list quickly. Filters are especially useful in larger organizations where projects span multiple teams or categories. If nothing shows up, clear the filters and try a broader search term. When you've located the correct app, find the three-dot menu next to that project. This menu holds the quick actions for that specific app. Click it, then choose Delete App. Pause for a moment and make sure the app you're deleting is truly the one you intend to remove. Checking the name and any identifying details can prevent mistakes. Deleting generally cannot be undone. After selecting Delete App, you may see a confirmation prompt. That's normal. It's there to help prevent accidental removals. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the required permissions, or your workspace may restrict deletions to certain roles. To wrap up, navigate to Apps, find your project using search or filters, open the three-dot menu, and select Delete App. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and take care when managing production or shared projects.